Now that you've chosen your page set, it's time for a little tour of your Dynavox Compass. This is your master page. It's divided into two main sections, your tool buttons and your topics. The tool buttons here are tools for communication like the keyboard, word lists, core, quick fires, and quick phrases. Your tools have been customized based on what communication ability level you selected, so yours might not look exactly like this. Next are your topics. These buttons will link either to a visual scene page or grid layout, depending on what you selected during setup. Let's talk about the visual scene pages first. These pages contain a large topic picture that sets the topic for you and your communication partner. General messages about the topic are located here, and you can get to messages about subtopics by selecting the hotspots on the picture. Positive behavior supports are always available from here. Okay, let's go back to the master page. The grid layout pages contain a topic picture which you can use to set the topic of conversation for you and others. General messages about the topic are in this grid, and you can get to subtopics from these tabs if they're in the layout you chose, and to positive behavior supports here. Okay, let's go back to your master page again. So let's review. Your Dynavox Compass's master page is divided into two main sections, the tool buttons and the topics. Whether your topics are in visual scene or grid layout, general messages, as well as subtopics and behavior supports will be available to help make communication more successful. Remember, this is a starting point for your communication journey. You can adjust your Dynavox setup based on your changing needs.